And the latest technique for isolation, purification, and separation of organic compound is chromatography. Why? Because it is best for non-volatile and heat-sensitive organic compounds. It is very highly resolution. Used in pharmaceuticals, biochemistry, natural products, and food analysis. So chromatography is the best technique. The compound that does not give blue color in Lassane test is actually two are there, glycine and hydrogen. They both do not give blue color with Lassane test. क्या होता है Lassane test में? Lassane test में जो NaCN है, it forms during the fusion with sodium. When we fuse the compound with sodium, NaCN is formed and it gives blue color. Glycine is an amino acid which has both the groups, NH2 group and COH group. So sodium reacts with only carboxylic acid group, okay, and it does not react with NH2 group, so it does not give NaCN, no blue color. As well as urea also. Hydrogen also does not give blue color. Urea and alanine, they both give Persian blue color in the Lassane test. When FeCl3 is added to a ferrous sulfate and sodium extract solution of compound, blood red color appears. It shows the presence of sodium and sulfur both in the compound. करेक्ट. क्या होता है जब प्रेजेंस ऑफ थायोसाइनेट आयन कंफर्म करता है कि सोडियम में जो कंपाउंड में नाइट्रोजन एंड सल्फर बोथ आर प्रेजेंट टुगेदर. ठीक है, देखो जिस तरह से ये Fe3+ आयन है, व्हेन दे रिएक्ट विद thiocyanate ions, they form iron thiocyanate. It has blood red color. Okay, so A option is correct. Next is an organic compound on heating with CuO produces CO2 plus no water. The organic compound may be carbon tetrachloride. क्यों? Because this compound does not have hydrogen. That is why it is not giving you water. Whereas it confirms the presence of carbon because it is giving you CO2. It means it has carbon. The carbon tetrachloride do not have water, do not giving water because it does not have hydrogen in it. So it is giving carbon dioxide only when it is oxidized with copper oxide. Whereas the others have hydrogen in it. So they give water also. Understood? So A option is correct. Carbon tetrachloride.